The quiet truth. How Level Smart Lock Plus Wi-Fi Deadbolt ends the daily key struggle for good. What if your front door could look exactly the way you love it, yet unlock itself the moment you walk up with arms full of groceries? No keys, no fumbling, no ugly tech screaming smart lock to every passerby. You're not asking for too much. You're just tired of choosing between beautiful design and real convenience. Keep watching, because what you're about to see is the moment everything finally clicks into place. Tell me in the comments, are you ready to ditch keys forever? Every single day you feel it, that tiny spike of frustration when you're juggling bags, kids, or coffee and have to dig for keys. Or the quiet panic when you realize you forgot them completely. Maybe your kids lost another set. Maybe you've handed out spares to dog walkers, cleaners, or guests, and now you're secretly worried who still has access. You've watched friends install smart locks, but every one of them slapped a bulky black box or glowing keypad on their once perfect door, and you thought, no thanks, not for my home. So you stay stuck, living with the hassle because every solution felt like a downgrade in style or security. But deep down, you know there has to be something better, something that just works without forcing you to compromise. Comment yes if you've ever felt exactly this way. Then everything changed the day you meet the Level Smart Lock Plus Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Here's what actually works. Don't just pick any smart lock. Make sure it has true invisible technology that hides completely inside your existing deadbolt, so you never experience the ugly, bulky hardware that ruins your home's elegant look ever again. This is the world's smallest smart lock. Every circuit, motor, and Wi-Fi antenna tucked inside the bolt itself. Outside, your door looks exactly the same. Sophisticated matte black, no glowing logos, no tech giveaway. Inside, just a sleek, minimalist disc that feels like luxury hardware. Tap your iPhone or Apple Watch and walk right in, like Apple Pay for your front door. Even works when your phone is dead. Say, "Hey Siri, lock the door" while you're cooking, and it instantly obeys. Come home and the door recognizes you, unlocks itself before you reach the handle. Hands full, groceries, kids, dog leash, doesn't matter. You glide through calm and in control. Give guests time-limited keys from your phone anywhere in the world. No more hiding spares under mats. Which outcome would transform your day fastest? Comment 1, effortless speed, 2, total calm, 3, complete control. Over 40 smart locks tested, and one technology analyst said it best. Level Lock Plus stands in a category of its own, the engineering achievement of fitting full Wi-Fi and Apple HomeKey into a standard deadbolt cannot be overstated. A design critic who reviews million-dollar homes calls it a masterclass in restraint, the only smart lock I recommend to clients who refuse to compromise their interiors. Real users? A busy mom says her kids think dad's watch is magic. A rental owner saved thousands in locksmith fees. A homeowner with arthritis told us it gave her back independence. 14 months, 0 issues, battery still going strong. These aren't paid actors. These are your neighbors living the reality right now. Type yes if you're ready for this in your life. Imagine walking up to your door tomorrow, arms full, mind calm, and it simply opens for you. No keys, no stress, no ugly tech, just pure joy every single time you come home. Thousands of homeowners already live this reality every day. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it at the top. Just click and claim yours. The matte black finish is stunning. Installation takes 15 to 20 minutes with a screwdriver, and your new life without keys starts the moment it arrives. See you on the other side.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.